Hey everyone, Dave from Repairs Rule. So today I'm going to do another really quick ship video for you from eBay. So let's take a look at what we just sold and we'll get them out and get them packed. Hope this helps. Okay, so I have a jacket up here in A5 and then I have a Schwinn head badge over here in B11. So I'll get those pulled. Hey everyone, I just wanted to break in here for just a moment. RS4, we just listed a bonding fletching jig. It sold within 24 hours. So we've got another one to pull out and get packed. But let's get back to this video. The jacket, camo jacket. Okay, and then in B11, let's see, here it is right here. There's the Schwinn head badge. Okay, so first up, I'm going to do my camo jacket. I had this listed for 50 bucks, and I'd sent out several offers on it for 45, and nobody responded with that 10% off. So finally, somebody else came in looking at it, and they went ahead and sent me an offer. I did have best offer on this, and they sent me an offer for 45. So of course I accepted it. So let's get this one boxed up. Let me just shove it off the side here. And you want to keep an eye open for boxes when you find them. This is a damp rid box that I'm sure that coat will fit in. So let me get it taped up. Okay, so now a little tip. As your eBay business grows, you will start getting scraps of cardboard around. You want to keep some of them. And I always do this for items like this. This is being a jacket, being material. I know that they're going to cut that more than likely with a knife to open it. I don't want them cutting into that. So what I do is I just take a little scrap piece, cut it to the length of the box, and then I tape it to the inner side of the flap. So I'm like that, just a little flap inside right where I know they're going to be cutting. And now we get that side taped up. Next up, we're going to do our Schwinn head badge, just a little head badge off of one of those vintage Schwinns that you know that I've shown videos, and if you haven't seen them, you need to go check them out, where I part them out. And when you do the head badges, guys, remember that you want to keep the little tiny screws that attach it to the frame. A lot of people have a hard time with those. So anyway, I've got a sealer over here. I just seal them up in a bag after I've cleaned them. And I always keep an eye open for little boxes like this, perfect for shipping something like this on. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a piece of bubble wrap around this, throw it in the box, get it taped. Now I know you probably have seen that I did not put the card in that one. Sometimes I don't put the cards in on occasion. I already taped that. I'm not going to worry about it. This box is so small, but you know what? I am going to go ahead and put one in this box because I can wrap it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this back open and I'm going to wrap my card around the item like so and back in. There we go. Now I'll get that one taped up. Okay, so what I'll do when I'll have a box like this, it has something like damper it on it. I cover it up. A lot of times you can just cover it up with the eBay tape like that. But since I have a paper tape, that's the easy way. So I'm just going to cover those things up. It says dampered. Now it says eBay. Okay, let's get them weighed, get them measured, and get these things ready to go. Okay, so let's just grab this little one first. And our scale says that it weighs 1.2 ounces. So I'm just going to put 4 ounces. And it's right here where I can measure it quickly. 532. Box size. 532. Okay, next up is the jacket. Let's see, get where you can see that weight. It is 211, so we're going to say 215. 215. Okay, and then our box size measuring here is 14. 10. 9. 14, 10, 9. 14, 10, 9. Get over to the computer and make my labels. Okay, so here we are over on my eBay on my laptop, and you can see here's the 2 items that I just packed, getting ready to ship. The Schwinn head badge right here, you can see what it sold for. It was sold for $24. That's right, $24 for just the vintage head badge, guys. So those vintage bicycles are definitely something you want to watch for. Make sure you go look at my videos on that. So $24 and all total tax, shipping, everything that they collected from the buyer was $31.83. Down here, the jacket was actually my jacket, one of my hunting jackets that I haven't been going hunting very much, but I still have a ton, absolute ton of hunting clothing. So anyway, that jacket was mine, and it sold at 45 all in. Over here, the tax and shipping and everything is $60.10. So we go up here to the first one, which is the Schwinn, and I'm going to get the label. Okay, and I had that down as 15 ounces, I believe. Double check. Yep. And or no, let's see, is that right? Double checking my figures here. It was only 4 ounces. So now some people will talk about these things are only in pounds. You can do that. Go learn and learn where the cutoffs are. But I would advise you, especially when you're new, just be accurate on these things. It'll keep you out of any kind of issues. So 4 ounces, the dimensions on this one was 532. So it's 5 tab 3 tab 2. And let's go take a look. Okay, the customer, let me change something here. The customer paid $6.15 and it was $3.98 is what they're going to charge me. So let's see, everything looks good. And we're going to print. Up will pop the label so we can take a look at it. And you can see I have this down to a very small label on purpose because it's a very small package. And you can adjust that size. I need to Pause. Okay, so I have downsized this label to 85%. I'm going to go another 5% off of that, make that 80, make that a little bit smaller label. I don't want to take it so small that they have a problem with reading these barcodes and so on. This is a 4-inch by 6-inch label, and we will print it. Okay, so now next up, we go back to our orders. Upper right have the jacket. Get the shipping label. Okay, I had that down as 2 pounds and 15 ounces. So we're going to go 215, and then the size of the box was 14, 10, 9. So we changed it to 14, 10, 9. Okay, so as you can see here, let's see, the customer paid $11.95. My cost down here at the bottom is $6.65. So we're going to purchase and print that label. Okay, there we go, guys. I'm going to go get these things to the post office. If you like the information, guys, like, subscribe, leave comments, and I'll see you guys on the next video.